functions, slope, graphing linear functions, and graphing linear equations. In order for us to be able to graph linear equations, we have to be able to understand different versions of linear equations. So this is the one this first one here is slope-intercept form. This is the most common way that we see it. And the reason that's called slope-intercept form is because M represents the slope and B represents the y-intercept. So that's why it's called the slope-intercept form. The point-slope form, in this case, is called point-slope because, in this case, we are given a point. In this case, we're talking about x sub 1, y sub 1, and then we're also given the slope. And that is the m variable. And then the last form, we have the standard form, and that's when we have both variables on the same side of the equation equal to some constant. So a has to be greater than 0, and a, b, and c are integers. If we look down here, we see the y-intercept, the point at which the graph crosses the y-axis. So we have the point 0, comma, b. So that would be this point right here is y-intercept. The x value there is 0, but we don't know what the y-intercept value is, so we can just represent it with the b there. The x-intercept is the point at which the graph crosses the x-axis. So that's this point right here. And the ordered pair there would be a, comma, 0. If we have a horizontal line, that's when we'd say y is equal to some constant. And if we have a vertical line, then we'd say x is equal to some constant.